Welcome to Takicast, the English podcast with Victoria.
Hey there! You're listening to Takicast, where learning English is fun and simple. Today, we are talking about daily routines.
Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm Tony, and today Victoria and I are going to walk you through a full day, from morning to night, using simple and useful English phrases. Let's start from the very beginning. Waking up.
Morning.
So, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
I usually wake up around 6:30. I stay in bed for a few minutes, then I get up and I stretch.
You stretch in the morning? That's a great habit.
Yeah, it helps me feel more awake. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Brush your teeth and wash your face. Classic. I do the same. Then I take a quick shower.
Same here. After the shower, I get dressed, check my phone, and sometimes I make my bed.
You make your bed? Wow, I try, but not every day.
I said sometimes.
What about breakfast?
Usually cereal and tea. Something quick.
I go for eggs and toast. And of course, coffee.
Coffee every morning?
Absolutely. Can't start my day without it.
Work or school?
When do you leave for work?
Around 8, I drive to the office. You?
I take the bus to university. I usually leave at 8:30.
So you take the bus. That's cool. What do you do when you get there?
First, I go to class. I take notes, listen to lectures, and sometimes study with friends.
Taking notes, I remember doing that too. At work, I check emails, go to meetings, and write a few reports.
Evening.
Okay, so what do your evenings look like?
First, I change into comfy clothes. Then I relax a little, maybe listen to music or scroll on my phone.
Scrolling on your phone after a long day. I feel that. I usually cook dinner or sometimes just order something.
You cook? Nice. I sometimes help my mom with dinner.
After that, I watch a show or call my family.
I usually read a book before bed. Just something light.
Bedtime.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30, I turn off my phone, set my alarm, and go to sleep.
Set your alarm. Yeah, I always forget mine. I go to bed a bit later, especially on weekends.
So, that's my daily routine. Pretty simple.
And that's mine. What about you guys?
Bye for now, and don't forget to speak English every day.
Thanks for listening to Takicast. See you in the next episode.
If you like this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Takicast.